Do you know unhealthy scalp can stunt hair growth? I'm talking about clogged hair follicles, poor blood circulation, dandruff and fungal infection, and a lot more. Sometimes the reason why your hair is not growing is because the roots of your hair, which is your scalp, is not healthy. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you all a simple DIY shampoo that can clarify your scalp in order for your hair to grow in a healthy way. And guess what? You can afford it. Everybody can afford this shampoo. The ingredients can be easily accessed. It's very easy to make. Okay, so stay tuned. If you're new, subscribe, turn on post notifications so that you don't miss when I upload new videos like this. Over here, we grow our hair in a healthy way. Okay, so let's get this video started. I thank my God in all my remembrance of you. Philippians chapter 1 verse 3. Alright, like I mentioned earlier, it's very easy to make this shampoo, so please get a paper and pen in case you need to jot down things, or you can even download the video if you want to. So let's start with the ingredients. The first one is rosemary leaf. Rosemary leaf is not only for healthy hair growth, it's also good for scalp clarification. Next is black soap. Please make sure your black soap is well made, and you can also use the type that comes in a rectangular shape. So next thing you need to add in here are your essential oils and your carrier oils. I'm using the extra virgin olive oil. Mind you, you can use any carrier oil of your choice. This is glycerin. Glycerin is a humectant and it draws moisture into the hair. Next is vitamin E oil. As you can see, I just have very small. I'm almost out of vitamin E oil. Last but not the least, we have lavender, which is our last ingredient. If you don't have it this way, you can use it in form of essential oil. Please make sure to rinse off dirt properly from the rosemary leaf before using it, and you can either decide to pluck it or boil everything at once. Next is the lavender, and over here I'm putting in half tablespoon of lavender flower. Next is water. I'm using 3 cups of water. You can use this measuring spoon I'm using over here. So I'm going to boil this for just 5 minutes on a low heat. While that is boiling, I'm going to measure half cup of black soap, and I'm going to also shred it into smaller pieces. It's time to mix everything together. We are done shredding our black soap into smaller pieces, so I'm going to mix the black soap with this Ayurvedic water. Make sure to get a bowl that can contain everything. There's no need of straining out the rosemary and the lavender for now. We are going to mix everything together, okay, because we're going to allow this to infuse for 30 minutes. So while the black soap is melting, the rosemary and the lavender are both infusing into this water. So we're going to cover it up and let it sit for just 30 minutes. So while it's infusing for 30 minutes, I'll be checking in to make sure everything is properly infused. So I'm just going to stir it up a little bit, then cover it. And as you can see, the black soap is almost done dissolving. We just have to let it sit a little bit more. 15 minutes later, I'm adding in my extra virgin olive oil, 2 teaspoons of this. Then I also added in my vitamin E oil. Since we have very little of it left, I just poured everything in there. And if you have a lot of vitamin E oil, 2 teaspoons of it is okay. Next is glycerin, and I'll be using 2 teaspoons of glycerin. Lastly, I'm going to stir this up properly and make sure everything is well mixed. Then I'll also cover it up for extra 10 minutes. 10 minutes later, it's time to strain out the shampoo. We no longer need the lavender and the rosemary leaf. And ladies and gentlemen, we have our shampoo ready for use. You can use this shampoo to unclog your hair follicles so that your hair will start growing in a healthy way. You can use it to cure inflammation and infection, and this shampoo can also balance your scalp pH. Always put it at the back of your mind. Healthy scalp equals to healthy hair growth. Regular cleansing, gentle scalp massage, moisturizing, and avoiding buildup all help in maintaining an environment where hair can grow strong and thick.